Our new jigsaw is the most powerful subcompact jigsaw in its class and delivers the fastest 12-volt blade speed under load. This means your cuts will never be cleaner and quicker on the job site. Secondly, our compact size and barrel grip ergonomics provides more control and more orientations, enhancing precision and scrolling, scribing, and coping applications on the job site. In conclusion, our new M12 FUEL Jig Saw delivers the fastest 12-volt blade speed under load. It provides more control and more orientations.